Hello everyone, welcome back to Macro Hard, the world's first decentralized community. So today I'm going to discuss a business idea with you. So imagine a scenario in which an entrepreneur takes loan from the bank and then he buys the house with the loan. And then there are tenants who start living in the house and start to pay rent. The entrepreneur starts to pay back the installments of the loan using the rent from the tenants. Now, after a period of about 15 to 20 years, what happens? The tenant ends up with nothing. So he's just paying money for 15 to 20 years. And the entrepreneur ends up owning the whole house at the cost of the rent of the tenant. So something is wrong here. So ideally what should happen is that when a tenant pays a rent, then he shouldn't just be allowed to live in the house. Rather, he should also get some equity of the house. So for example, if you pay the rent for your house for 1 year, then at the end of the year, you should be owning about 2 to 3% of the house. But that isn't the case. So the business idea is to create new business model for the rent scheme where the tenants will end up owning equity of the house every year. Every person looking for a house would obviously choose the new option rather than the conventional option of rent. Although there are certain barriers in order to execute this startup because the initial capital will be pretty high. That's up to you to figure out. Maybe you can go to a country in which housing prices are not very high. So maybe in the next video we might discuss some of the solutions to the problems in this startup idea. That was all for today. So I'll try to post meaningful stuff apart from my daily update so that it benefits the community. Subscribe to the channel and join the Macro Hard community because early members always get certain incentive.
Yeah, boy.
So that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.